Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are concerned about our views on communism. We are going to explore from the spiritual point of view. In the earlier days, some people had everything to live, but others were not having enough to survive. There were so many differences between the people. People were suffering materially like anything. Communists observed the day-to-day life and found that everything was going in the wrong direction. So they founded the philosophy of communism. They wanted to do something goodness, to do something good for the society. They imagined a welfare state of the people. Say they took power from the King George violently. So communism started with violence. Violence never brings peace. Later it has been proved that the philosophy which started with violence only brought untold miseries to the people. On the other hand, a spiritual life is concerned with the outward life and also inward richness of life. Spiritual life is concerned with the truth of everything. It is concerned with the existential life. What is here and now? Spirituality is very deep. We have discussed in so many videos about the spiritual life. Communism is concerned about the superficial aspect of life. So they thought power and authority will solve everything. So they were in search of power and authority. They attained power through violent methods. They established the governments to solve the people's problem. They gave lots of importance to the army. They spent all the money for the armies. They told their government is based on collective leadership. But later it turned out to be concentrated in a single person. All the communist government turned into dictatorships. We can find this one in erstwhile USSR, China and Cambodia. In Cambodia, the leader Pol Pot killed lots of people. The people who were against communism were killed mercilessly. So, communism is centered on violence. Violence never brings goodness to the people. People's freedom were curtailed. But spirituality stands for all freedom. Spirituality is the search for freedom of human being. It stands for individual welfare. But communism curtailed the freedom of people. It was based on only power and authority. They thought that through power and authority, welfare state will be established and all goodness will happen. Even though their intentions were good, but practically they could not do it. They completely avoided the inner reality of the human being. They never concerned about truth. They never concerned about the nature. They were never concerned about the beauty of life. They were simply concerned about concentrated power. Hence what happened in Russia. Even people did not have enough money to buy their food for their daily living. People face untold miseries in life. Then they turned against the welfare state. The people turned against the so-called welfare state. And they turned down the statues of the leaders. They were very much angry about the leaders. people's aspirations were not fulfilled. Their dream was collapsed. Hence, communism and spirituality are not compatible to each other. Spirituality stands for inner freedom. Not only inner freedom, outwardly also it stands for goodness of life. It stands for the core truth in every human being. But communism did not concern itself with any truth of life, existence, or any other thing. Communism was power oriented. Basically, they were violent people. Because of this, everywhere the communist governments collapsed. That was the reality. So by their philosophy, goodness could not be brought. To goodness happen, every individual human being must be transformed. But communism did not believe in any kind of transformation. But spirituality completely have the basis on individual transformation. In everyday life, we want individual transformation. Individual transformation is the panacea of all evils. Spirituality stands for that. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.